Hello guys and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and buying options. So today as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Okay guys, so today what do we have? First of all, let's set the indicators that we are going to use today. So the first one will be Williams oscillator. I am setting it right now. We have done this because price has already touched the middle line of the Donchian channel, and after this we're highly likely to receive a pullback reaction from the zone and grows towards at least the upper edge of the current channel. So that's why we have opened this trade. When we use the Donchian channel as an indicator, we have 2 points to which we should pay attention. The first, 3 points. This is upper edge of the Donchian channel indicator, middle line, and the last one is bottom line. Actually, when price, for example, hits the upper edge of the Donchian channel, we highly likely can receive the pullback reaction towards the first destination, the middle line, drop towards the middle line, and if we break through it, drop towards the bottom line. If we're speaking about the middle line, there is 50 or 60%. So the first trade was profitable. Now we have opened the second one. The same kind of scenario, the price has hit the bottom line of the Donchian channel indicator. After this, we started growing, started receiving the pullback reaction. We have hit the middle line of the Donchian channel, and here the price was stopped. So that's why we have opened sell position here, expecting the pullback reaction from the middle line of the Donchian channel. Moreover, the previous bearish candle has shown us the bearish consumption of the previous bullish candle. So this is additional confirmation that price will highly likely go down right now towards at least the bottom line of the Donchian channel, or even lower if we break through it. Well, so that's it. We have around $368 right now on the account. A very nice start. Well, so let's trade Aldi CHF. Let's change our investment to $368. We have opened buy position because once again it's the same kind of scenario. We have touched the upper edge of the Donchian channel. Afterwards, we started receiving the pullback reaction and we hit the middle line of the Donchian channel, where the price was stopped, and we started once again receiving the pullback reaction. We started growing. So that's why immediately when the price hit the middle line, I opened buy position. And just look at this, we have already shown the bullish consumption of the previous bearish candle, and we have already even touched the upper edge once again. That's it, guys. We did it. We have around $707 on the account. Let's continue. So here we have opened buy position because you can clearly see that price has hit the bottom line of the Donchian channel. After this, we're highly likely to receive a pullback reaction from the zone. So that's why I have opened buy position, expecting the potential growth towards at least the middle line of the channel. Okay, fine, perfectly done. We have around $1,350 on the account. This is a very nice result, to be honest. Now let's change our investment to $1,200 and open sell position because you can clearly see that price has already touched the upper edge of the Donchian channel. Afterwards, we started receiving the pullback reaction, and now price is trying to hit the middle line of the Donchian channel. First of all, we have some space for the drop for the middle line, and moreover, if we break through the middle line, we will continue dropping significantly as far towards the bottom line of the channel. And for now, we can see that sellers are trying to break through the middle line. They're trying to do this. They have almost done this. Yep, one more profitable trade when we have around $2,454 on the account. This is a very nice sum on the account. By the way, brothers, if you want to trade like a pro, All you need is right now open the description to this video and subscribe to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the best trading signals, the best analytics and strategies, and educational materials that will help you to become a professional and experienced trader. Moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, which will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions. And you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each fucking day. So don't waste your time, write me a message right now and be with me. Link in the description. Okay, while I was talking, I have already opened one more sell position. Why did I do it? Because I can clearly see that we're staying on the resistance line zone right now. And buyers don't have enough power to break through this resistance right now. So that's why we have opened sell position, expecting to receive at least a short-term down-going correction towards the middle line of the Donchian channel, or even lower towards the bottom line of the Donchian channel. Okay, so that's it. We have around $4,300 on the account. All we have is the fact that price was growing until we touched a strong level of resistance, which is the upper edge of the Donchian channel. Price here has been stopped, and we started to fluctuate. We started moving in the flat channel without continuation of the current growth. So that's why I decided to open sell position, expecting the drop and the consumption of the previous bullish candles. At least I expect to get a short-term correction, but we need to wait right now and see whether I was right. Okay guys, one more profitable trade and we have around $8,000 on the account. Okay guys, so I think that we will now have the last trade for today. This is Audi CHF. Let's change our investment to $7,000. So yes, I want to go all in, but we still have around $1,000 left on the account. We have opened sell position because, as you can see, we had the pullback reaction from the bottom line of the Donchian channel. We started growing towards the middle line of it. Now we're going to receive the pullback reaction from the middle line, and we're highly likely to drop. If we drop with a pullback reaction from the middle line, then we will go lower towards the bottom line of the Donchian channel. So let's see. For now, we have already shown the bearish consumption of the previous bullish candle, and this looks really nice. So we have additional confirmation the price will go down. Well, so just look at this, $14,400. Shit, that's crazy. We started with just around $100 and we turned them into $14,400. Oh shit, it's so fucking crazy. Guys, if you want to have the same result like this, all you need right now just to subscribe to my private TG and get access to the best trading signals and materials ever that will help you to become the same kind of professional trader. So don't waste your time. Subscribe to my private TG right now, link in the description. I wish you the best, wonderful and profitable day. See you all and bye bye.